Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we unravel the secrets of Power BI. I'm Jesse, and today we're shining a spotlight on two unsung heroes in the Power BI arsenal, the distinct and union functions. If you ever wonder how to wrangle your data into a submission or create a meaningful insight from different sources, then stick around because the distinct and union function are about to become your new best friends. Let's kick off with the distinct function. Picture this: you have got a massive data set and you want to shift through the noise and focus only on unique values. That's where the distinct steps in. It's like putting the data glasses. Suddenly, everything becomes clearer, and you see the unique gems in your data landscape. Now, let's enter to the union function. Have you ever had to deal with the data spread across different tables, each containing valuable informations? Union is the bridge that connects these islands of data. It consolidates them into one cohesive whole, eliminating duplicates along the way. But here's where the real magic happens. When you combine distinct and union, it's not just about cleaning and connecting. It's about creating something entirely new. You're sculpting your data into a masterpiece, unified source of truth, and opens the gate or door to deeper insights and smarter decision making. So, why does all this matters? Well, in the world of data analytics, clarity and cohesion are everything. The distinct and union functions empower you to work with cleaner, more consolidated datasets, making your analysis more accurate, efficient, and ultimately more impactful. Let me show you a quick example in Power BI to illustrate how these functions can transform your data and elevate your analysis. But first, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of Power BI. Okay, so we are now in Excel file where I would like to illustrate our objective. So we have two tables, which is table 1 and table 2, both containing names as illustrated. Our mission is to create a unified list of unique names, eliminating any duplicates, and ultimately gaining a clearer view of our table landscape, which is this one. Okay, so we're now in the Power BI desktop. Again, we have two tables. Table 1 that contains a name. Again, table 2 contains another name. And we would like to combine this, eliminating all the duplicates. So what I will do is I'll go to the table view. I will create new tables. I will place the table name, which I will call combine equal sign, then union, then filter, table then values, table name one name, and with table name should be greater or equal to blank, then filter again, values, table 2 name, where then the name, table 2 name is greater equal or less than the blank, okay. With this, you'll have all the names for 2 tables, but as you can see, Laura still has 2 cells. So to remove the duplicate, you just have to put distinct before the union function and can close parenthesis. From there, you remove the duplicate name Laura. Now, with the combined function, you will only have the unique name under this table. Hope you learned from this video. Goodbye.